Maintain a sanitary environment with Regency's durable and affordable hands-free sinks. Made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel materials, Regency sinks withstand daily use in busy commercial kitchens. Easy to install wall-mounted designs save precious floor space and setup time. Manually control your sink's water flow without contaminating your hands with knee and foot pedal directed units. Or select a highly responsive sensor faucet sink for effortless sanitation. Pare down on equipment with hands-free sinks that have soap and paper towel dispensers. Protect your unit against contaminants in high traffic areas by choosing a sink with a side splash guard. Laboratories and construction sites benefit from hands-free sinks that also act as eye wash stations. These sinks deliver soft, aerated water at adjustable angles for thorough eye washing. Whichever style and unit features you choose, you'll receive a reliable hands-free sink at an affordable price.